What it do, gang? It's your boy Money Rich back with another video. Yeah, it's breakfast time, man. I'm tired. But anyway, got my breakfast. Ready to get my day started. Just super tired. Long week. Know what I'm saying, bro? No, but hopefully later on I have a little bit more energy so I can get it in. But anyway, I'm finna smash this, get to work. And, I'll holler at y'all guys a little bit later. What it do, gang? It's your boy Money Rich back with another video, and today I'm gonna start something new. I'm doing the banquet diet thing. I got that going on. But today I'm gonna cook some chili. So I'm gonna call this Cooking with Money Rich. So probably like once, maybe twice a week, I might cook something. Back in the day, I used to throw down like real deal, like cooking. So I'm gonna bring y'all into my world and show you how good I can really cook. Cause your boy can cook, man. For real, for real. So we gonna cook some chili, and I'm gonna show you how to cook this Money Rich chili, and show you how I get down. How I get down. All right, I'll holler at y'all guys in a minute. Before I go any further, I want to show y'all something. You see how that's pink right there? That's for cancer awareness. Fuck cancer. I might do something different with the logo, like put fuck cancer up in there or something. But yeah. I just want y'all to guys see that. So I'll let y'all in a minute. Alright guys, you ready? Now I got the oil going. Do about I do a little bit of vegetable oil up in there, just so things don't stick. Alright guys, we back. First I threw some vegetable oil up in there. Turn the eye down so things don't stick. Then I'm gonna throw some onions in there, some seasoning. I'll just show you. First we'll throw some onions, whole bag, about 2 medium onions. Some salt. Some pepper. Some red pepper flake. Some garlic powder. And some chili powder. Everything going, stir. We add 1 pound of ground beef. Everything cooking. Cover. Give it about 20 minutes. Break it up, stir it constantly, and we'll be back. And there we go. All nice and looking delicious. Got that ground beef all done. Now I'm finna show you what I'm about to do next. Alright guys, so we're gonna add chili powder, masa, garlic and onion, paprika, red pepper, and cumin, oregano. We'll add that with the ground beef, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. We're gonna add 40 ounces of chili beans in chili sauce. My secret ingredient, Rotel. It got to be this Rotel right here. Mild diced tomatoes and green chilies. This gives the chili like a great flavor. So trust me on that. 2 cans. And finally, we add 46 ounces of tomato juice. And this is the last ingredient. And here we go. Everything's combined, and we're gonna let it cook for at least, I say, about good 20 minutes, because you want everything to blend in so you can get all the flavors. From Money Rich Chili. Chili so good, make you want to smack your mama. Man, don't that look so good? Man, look at that there. Man, that's... well, you can't beat that, bro. I can cook. Welcome to the Money Rich Show, where we show you how to cook. Real men can cook. You know what I'm saying? Real men can cook. Like real shit. So, but just look at that. Oh yeah, guys. I had one more announcement to make. Why y'all think I'm cheating and forgot all about them banquet meals? Nope. This is what I'm eating tonight. Boom. I'm having turkey with peas and mashed potatoes with fake ass dressing and gravy. So, yeah. That's what I'm eating tonight. I know I'm the fool. I'm the one who's eating the banquets. I don't have to. But, like I said, this is a challenge. And I'm a man of my word. So I gotta stick to my guns. You feel me? But, I'm finna show you what the chili look like. We're gonna plate it up. And show you what I'm working with. Show you that your boy can really cook some food, man. I could really cook some chili. I could cook a lot of things. I think I'm gonna make this an annual thing, like one time a week, just cook. And like I said, I'm gonna call it Cooking with Money Rich. That's it. So, you know what I'm saying? It'd be something else I can add to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Besides car stuff. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, this is a car channel, but I'm trying to show you a little bit of me and, you know, stuff that I do on an everyday basis. You know what I'm saying? So, this is what I'm gonna do. And plus, there's gonna be some other stuff I'm gonna add too. So, you know, just stay tuned. You know, your boy gonna come with it for 2021. So, I got a whole repertoire. You know what I'm saying? So, but I'm gonna holler at y'all guys in a minute and show y'all this chili and show you how it look. I outdid myself, guys. For real, for real. Like, it's a masterpiece. If there's anybody out there that think they can cook better than me, Chef Ricardo Money Rich, let me know. But check this out. Boom. Grade A Money Rich Chili. Sponsored by Banquet Meals. The turkey meal that just keeps going gobble, gobble, gobble. Nah, I'll just play it. But, yeah. This is the chili right here, guys. Fire. So, I'm finna get up out of here, man, and eat this damn bacon meal. So, I say that to say this. Holla at your boy. Money Rich, the real Swervo. Ah.